Well, I've been at Jmar 12 years and 6 months. I've always known James McKinney from the years back of being in the roofing business. When I learned that David Phillips was the owner of Jmar and Jmar moved to Buda, I looked at an opportunity of possibly getting more into a local roofing company, because it seems that Jmar was a local roofing company, which we still are. David gave me the opportunity to come to work for him. I had sort of an empty basket. He let me take my empty basket and begin filling it in a way that I knew how to fill it. And I started selling commercial projects here in Austin and evolved my way into some pretty good accounts with repeat business and referred business and some very good customers that kept coming back. I love it when a previous customer calls me, say, I got another job for you. David respects his employees for what they are, for their professionalism and for their talents. And when he sees it, he wants them to grow that. And I had some experiences with a few other roofing companies where they sort of wanted to micromanage you and kind of worry about you a little bit too much, and that actually slowed me down. We got a pretty good vendor pool that David has developed relationships with. And it's always good to have a relationship with your vendors as much as with your customers, with your team. Girls in the office are great. Overall, I'd say Jmar is a great place to work. It's a new adventure every day. We have a good boss. David Phillips is a good man to work for. And I'm going to keep working for him. Hope to see you around.